Egress catching fish, guys. And you can see irises as well. This is Munchingtopia. This is Munchingtopia, guys. Have a look at the egresses getting fish from the mangrove area. Foster's like, look, she's got a fish. Oh no, it was a crab. It was a blue crab, guys, a small blue crab that she grabbed. Look, she's grabbed another one. She's grabbing crabs. There's another egress over there. I didn't know egresses ate crabs, guys. This is a first. And little tiny blue crabs. Look what a beautiful ecosystem is here. They get all their food provided for them by nature, guys. This is why we need to look after the forests.